Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to do this summery sunset makeup eyeshadow look. So first I'm starting out with just a light shade from the Naked Basics palette. And setting my eyelids, I just put concealer on my eyelids to prime them for the eyeshadows. Here I'm taking a yellowish orange kind of a shade and blending it into my crease and a little bit above my crease. Taking a little bit of a lighter shade, blending right above that just to have no harsh lines and make it really seamless. Here I'm just intensifying that orangish color a little bit more because some of the intensity just blended away. And now I'm taking the orange, going in the outer corner. I'm going to put it in the inner corner as well. And then just trying to create that halo eye effect. So now I'm taking that same yellowish kind of shade that I first started with, and I'm just blending those harsh lines out a little bit, checking everything, make sure it all looks good. And then now I'm taking my highlight shade and blending it down a little bit further than I normally would so that I can kind of blend the yellow shade. I thought I brought it a little bit too high. And then I'm taking this just tacky kind of a product, I'm not even sure what it is anymore, and then just putting it as a base for the shimmery shade. It's just a L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. They're in like little paint pot kind of things. It's so old, I don't even know if they sell them anymore. But then I'm just blending it out with my fingers and making sure it's all seamless. Now I'm starting with my eyeliner. I'm starting with this e.l.f. eyeliner. Wasn't really working too well for me. Wasn't really a fan of it, so I ended up switching over to my Wet n Wild liquid liner and just doing my normal winged eyeliner. I do this every day, so nothing new. So my eyeliner was a little bit uneven, but it worked. And then I'm starting on my mascara and doing just 2 coats of the mascara. I can't remember the name of it, but any mascara will do, whatever you guys want to use. And I had already done my eyebrows off camera, and then off camera I went ahead and did my face makeup, and then on the lower lash line I'm blending the shade that I put into the inner and outer corners just onto the lower lash line, and there I'm just checking out my highlight because it looks so good. Now I'm just blending my lower lash line a little bit more, make sure that it's all smoked out and seamless. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future, and I'll be sure to make them for you.